style now. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to add clipping, these 3 clipping. Usually I get questions of where I got this clipping from. I got it from Her Giving Hair, and I kind of dyed it so it matches my hair color, but I think I dyed it too dark. It became too dark, but it still works better than the actual color it came in. But I'm going to add just this one to the back of my hair, just so it gives my hair some length for this style. Well, the style is not going to add length, it's just going to give it like fullness. Basically that's what I'm going for. I added it really low because I'm going to be flat twisting my hair and I'm going to make a part, so that's why I don't want the clipping to show, so that's why I made it so low. So now I'm going to section a front part.
So casually keep diving into concrete, so bittersweet, huh? Losing sleep while driving in the backseat.
Now I'm going to flat twist my
What's
hair.
left of me? Drowning in what feels just like an ocean. Negativity is getting closer. Hard to keep the heat when it gets colder. You know, sometimes everything just gets hard. Sometimes everything just gets harder. Feeling like I'm missing some parts. Days just keep on getting much darker. Even when I'm down in the low, I remember what you were saying. Sometimes all you need is a spark, and maybe just a better kind of bitter. Lose gravity, I'm swimming in the quicksand, up to my knees.
Then I'm going to use a bobby pin to just hold it so it doesn't unravel, like so.
So hard to please. Drowning in what feels just like an ocean. Negativity is getting closer. Hard to keep the heat when it gets colder. You know, sometimes everything just gets hard. Sometimes everything just gets harder. Feeling like I'm missing some parts. Days just keep on getting much darker. Even when I'm down in the low, I remember what you were saying. Sometimes all you need is a spark, and maybe just a better kind of bitter.
So now that I'm done, I'm basically just going to tuck the hair into each other. I've come to the end of this video. This is what the hair is looking like. This is an inspiration of just 2 flat twists going to the back. I think that's one of the easiest hairstyle, but if you do not want to start like from here down to the back, you can just do it here like what I did, and you can also play with the front style as well to give you like different styles. You can do like a bump, you can do anything with this front section. I just wanted mine to just match with the flat twist. That was the initial plan I had in my mind. I added the clipping at the back because I wanted it to give the full effect. I did because my hair is a bit thinner at the back, so I wanted like a fuller effect. That was why I added the clipping. But if your hair is longer, then there's definitely no need for you to add the clipping. You can just do whatever works for you. But yeah, I've come to the end of this video. Let me know what you guys think. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.